associated her with Mary Bethany. Santa Maria Salome, Mary Mother of Christ, she bears the thermal of oil bottle pointing to her role as a myrrh bearer. Santa Maria Theophil, Mary Mother of James, she bears a west broom. As tradition holds, she swept the holy scripture before Christ was laid. We have Rhea Sheba, carries the box of jewelry. Golden legend describes how she generated the beam of her bridge. She was crossing prophesying the wood's future role as part of the True Cross. She is by Tony Ellie Katakutan.
Also introducing Reina Samaritana, or the water bearer. You'll see her carrying a water jug. She represents the